Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Opai token. Now this token is an homage token to Openai. It's a meme token paying homage. It is not affiliated with Openai. Ticker symbol is OPAI, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 26th. On a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the OPAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the OPAI token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 26th at 10 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc global account, that's where it's being listed tomorrow. I do have a Mexc global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So all you would have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OPAI, and then simply just buy the token. So it says the project name OpenAI with the ticker symbol OpenAI will be named as OPAI with the ticker symbol OPAI on Mexc. So please take note of this change before proceeding with any deposit or withdrawals transactions. So they're saying if you looked up this actual token on BSC scan, because this is a Binance Smart Chain token, you will see the name of the token is OpenAI, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. But because it says OPAI is merely just the name of the token and is no way related and or affiliated with OpenAI Incorporated or the brand OpenAI and its affiliates, they have it listed as OPAI. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol on Mexc. So just be aware of the difference. The actual name is OpenAI of this token. So if you look on their BSC scan, it says right now they have 3,625 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply here of 210 billion tokens. They have a Telegram you could follow at OpenAI_O. 12,249 members. You can find a full link tree over there as well. Contract address. They have a different Telegram you can follow there as well. They have the Twitter that I'm going to put up in the corner of the screen over there. They have a web page at open-ai.fyi. Over there you can find a full white paper as well. Tons of info on there. So at the bottom of their page too, CoinMarketCap, Discord group, YouTube channel, Zili, so much links all over the place. So what is this project all about? Well, it says the OpenAI community is a joint formation of AI, artificial intelligence, VR enthusiasts, and ardent fans of cryptocurrency. The occupation in the team is divided into technology, painter design, operations, maintenance, several positions. Among the OpenAI team is mainly created by the famous blockchain experts in the United States and head of Hong Kong investment institutions, combining the most controversial AI, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality at the moment to create an AI VR integrated digital crypto platform. It says OpenAI does not have a central node or a hierarchical, I always have trouble with that word, management structure, but a bottom-up network of nodes that interact, compete, and collaborate to achieve organizational goals. Therefore, the business transactions between nodes and nodes and between nodes and organizations in OpenAI. Instead of being determined by administrative affiliation, they follow the principles of equality, voluntariness, reciprocity, and mutual benefit, and are driven by each other's resource endowment, complementary advantages, and win-win benefits. Each organizational node will collaborate effectively under the incentive mechanism of the pass-through based on its own research advantages and talent qualifications. Each node will collaborate effectively based on its own resource advantages and talent qualifications, and the incentive mechanisms of pass-through certificates, resulting in powerful synergy effects. OpenAI's future development will mainly focus on AI and VR technology to create one-stop cryptocurrency VR world platform with investors as the center. OpenAI Web3 crypto VR world platform uses OpenAI tokens as incentive currency and circulation settlement means, introduces PGC, UGC developers, provides information, community live streaming, information, and other services, creates Web3 network system, attracts users, retains users, and serves as consumption scenarios. An open and transparent price system design for content supplementation, interactive supplementation, and service consumption is carried out by these processes, and all incentives are settled in the form of OpenAI tokens. So that's the use case for the tokens. It says users reading, rating, sharing, and reporting the content of each application tool is recorded by the system, which defines the value of these actions based on the number of OpenAI earned. OpenAI is only paid when accessing the community's apps and when purchasing community items. OpenAI will be deducted when users post spam messages and violate community rules. So basically incentivizes good behavior and decentivizes bad behavior. They want to build a virtual reality crypto VR time where you can put your VR glasses on and actually enter the crypto world where you can see floating Bitcoin, walking Ethereum, and BNB cookies. All items as well as clothing and props in this world are expressed in the form of cryptocurrency. That's pretty crazy to think about. Floating BNB cookies. So they have NFTs within the ecosystem. They have the pledge ecology. They have the VR, all that type of stuff. So we already went over most of the tokenomics besides allocation. So the total supply, 210 billion. Initial supply, 40% of the tokens go to that. 5% goes to team, 10% community rewards, 15% development, 20% charitable organizations, 10% exchange. Lastly, they have a roadmap on here, starting with development, launch the website, partners, community, industry-leading consultants, Telegram, influencer collaborations, launch the platform, more partners, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, Eco app development, NFTs, design the AI, chat app development, more Telegram members, confirmed a market maker, decentralized and centralized exchange listings, more partnerships, artificial intelligence development, chat app beta release, NFT release, accelerate the construction of our metaverse, and then new roadmap. Go check this all out. Open-ai.fyi is their webpage, and you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.